Flights from Nigeria look insanely expensive right now. Open any flight website and it feels like prices have gone out of control. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. You're not paying more because you're Nigerian. You're paying more because you're booking flights the wrong way. Right now, smart travelers in Nigeria are flying to the UK, the US, Europe, and Dubai for far less than what the average traveler pays. Same routes. Same airlines. Same economy seats. The difference is how they search, when they book, and what they completely avoid doing. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 flight hacks that are already saving Nigerians hundreds of thousands of naira on international flights in 2025. These are not theories. These are strategies people are using right now. And make sure you stay to the end, because hack number 3 shocks almost everyone the first time they hear it. 5. Stop searching like a tourist. Most people search for flights the same way every single time. Lagos to London. Exact dates. Click search. And that's it. That simple habit is the most expensive way to book an international flight from Nigeria. When you search round trip with fixed dates, you're telling airlines you're not flexible. And when airlines sense that, prices go up fast. That's why so many people think flights from Nigeria are just naturally expensive. They're not. The search method is the problem. Here's the first shift smart travelers make. They stop searching round-trip flights and start with one-way tickets. One-way searches often reveal cheaper combinations that never appear when you search round-trip. Sometimes flying out with one airline and returning with another saves a shocking amount of money. Next, flexible dates change everything. If you only search one specific day, you're blind to cheaper options sitting just 1 or 2 days away. Using flexible date views exposes hidden low fares airlines don't highlight up front. This is one of the easiest ways to find cheap flights from Nigeria without changing your destination at all. And here's where it gets interesting. Instead of searching Nigeria to one city, smart travelers search Nigeria to everywhere. That single move unlocks surprise deals to cities you may not have considered, often for far less than popular routes. You might discover a cheaper entry point into Europe or the Middle East, then continue from there for less. To do this properly, you need the right tools. Google Flights is powerful for spotting price trends and seeing which days are actually cheaper to fly. It shows you when prices are low, rising, or about to spike. Skyscanner is perfect for flexible destination discovery. It lets you see the cheapest places you can fly to from Nigeria without locking yourself into one city. Once you start searching this way, everything changes. By the end of this video, you'll never search flights the same way again. 4 Nigerian payment traps that inflate your fare. Here's something most global travel videos will never tell you. The card you use can quietly increase the price of your flight. In 2025, this is one of the biggest reasons flights from Nigeria look more expensive than they should. Many naira cards trigger automatic dollar conversion markups the moment you try to pay. What you see as one price during search can suddenly jump higher at checkout, even though nothing else changed. Some airlines and booking platforms also price differently once a Nigerian-issued card is detected. Same flight. Same seat. Higher final amount. It doesn't happen every time, but when it does, it's frustrating and expensive. And most people don't even realize what caused it. Here's another hidden issue. Failed payments are not harmless. Every time your card declines, times out, or gets stuck on verification, the system often refreshes the fare. That refresh can push the price up instantly, especially on popular international routes from Nigeria to the UK, the US, or Europe. You think you're retrying the same deal, but the price you're chasing is already gone. So what do smart travelers do differently? First, they know when to book directly on airline websites and when to use aggregators. Aggregators are great for discovering cheap flights from Nigeria, but airline websites are often more stable at checkout. Fewer payment errors. Fewer surprise price jumps. If you've already found a good fare, going straight to the airline can protect that price. Second, they understand why holding a price briefly matters. Many platforms allow you to lock or hold a fare for a short window. That small pause gives you time to prepare payment properly instead of rushing and triggering failed attempts that reset the price. And this part is critical. Never keep retrying the same payment over and over. Multiple failed attempts signal demand and instability, and that can push the fare higher. If a payment fails once, stop. Reset. Try again later or switch platforms instead of fighting the system. This is one of those flight booking mistakes that quietly drains money from Nigerian travelers every day. Fix this alone, and you'll already start seeing cheaper international flight prices without changing where you're going. 3. The airport trick that can save 300,000 nairas plus. This is the hack people argue about in the comments every single time. But it works. Lagos is one of the most expensive starting points for international flights in this region. Not because the distance is longer, but because demand is high, competition is limited, and airlines know people will pay. That combination quietly pushes fares up, especially on popular routes to the UK, the US, and Europe. Here's where smart travelers think differently. Instead of treating Lagos as the only starting point, they look at regional routing. Airlines price flights based on hubs, traffic flow, and competition, not just geography. Some nearby departure points have lower base fares simply because airlines are fighting harder for passengers there. This doesn't mean you randomly jump airports. It's about repositioning. You get yourself to another regional hub using a short, low-cost flight or ground connection, then start your long-haul journey from there. When done correctly, the savings can be massive. In some cases, 300,000 nairas or more on a single international ticket. Here's why this works. Airlines price major hubs differently based on volume, agreements, and passenger behavior. Lagos is a high-pressure market. Other hubs aren't. So the same airline, flying the same route class, can charge very different prices depending on where you start. Now, this is important. This trick is not for every trip. If you're traveling with tight schedules, lots of luggage, or visa restrictions, it may not make sense. But when your dates are flexible and the numbers line up, it works big. Most people never even check this option. Smart travelers always do. 2. Timing lies. Airlines want you to believe you've heard this advice before. Book on Tuesday. Book late at night. Book at a specific hour and you'll get cheap flights. That advice is outdated. In 2025, airline pricing doesn't care about weekdays anymore. Prices now move in waves based on demand, seat availability, and how fast tickets are selling. When demand spikes, prices jump. When demand slows, prices drop. It can happen on a Monday, a Saturday, or in the middle of the night. Guessing the right day no longer works. This is where most people lose money. They keep checking prices manually, hoping to catch a drop. While they're waiting, demand builds, seats disappear, and the fare quietly climbs higher. Waiting blindly is one of the most expensive flight booking habits, especially on popular international routes from Nigeria. Smart travelers do something different. They stop guessing and start using alerts. Instead of chasing prices, they let prices chase them. With price alerts on Google Flights, you can track specific routes and get notified the moment fares drop or start rising. Skyscanner does the same thing across multiple airlines and date ranges, which is powerful when you're flexible. This shift alone changes everything. You stop reacting late and start moving at the right moment. I'll show you how to let prices chase you, not the other way around. 1. How smart Nigerians actually pay less. The biggest mistake people make is chasing cheap airlines. Smart travelers chase cheap routes. In 2025, airline loyalty matters far less than route loyalty. One airline might be expensive on one route and surprisingly affordable on another. So instead of asking, which airline is cheap, the smarter question is, which route is cheap right now from Nigeria? This is where stopovers become an advantage, not a problem. Non-stop flights feel convenient, but they're often priced at a premium. Routes with one stop usually cost less because airlines compete harder on them. If the stopover is reasonable, you're paying less for the same destination. For many international trips from Nigeria, that single stop can be the difference between an overpriced ticket and a smart deal. Another strategy smart Nigerians use is splitting tickets instead of booking round trips. Round-trip pricing can hide expensive return legs. Sometimes booking two one-way tickets on different airlines costs significantly less and gives you more flexibility. If prices drop later, you're not locked into an inflated return fare. This approach gives you control. You're no longer stuck with one airline, one price, or one option. You're following the cheapest path to your destination, not the most obvious one. And once you start thinking in routes instead of airlines, finding cheap international flights from Nigeria becomes much easier. Quick warning. Avoid this costly mistake before you book anything. Hear this. If a deal looks unreal, pause. Fake agents and fake flight deals are still one of the fastest ways Nigerians lose money when booking international flights. Someone sends you a screenshot. It looks real. The price looks amazing. But a screenshot is not a ticket, and a booking reference alone does not mean your flight is issued. An unissued ticket is worthless. Until a ticket number is generated and confirmed, you do not have a seat on that flight. Many people only discover this at the airport, and by then it's too late. The money is gone, and the flight price has doubled. Real bookings are verifiable. Real tickets come directly from airline systems or trusted platforms. If someone pressures you to pay quickly, avoids giving proper ticket details, or keeps sending screenshots instead of confirmations, that's your signal to stop. There are genuine deals out there. But rushing into something that feels too good to be true is how smart travelers turn into victims. Pause, verify, and protect your money. Comment your next destination below. Whether it's the UK, the US, Europe, Dubai, or anywhere else, drop it in the comments. I'll pick one route and pin a full breakdown showing the cheapest way to book it from Nigeria, step by step, using the exact strategies we talked about. If you want more travel hacks that actually work from Nigeria, not recycled advice you've already heard 100 times, make sure you subscribe. I'm breaking down real flight booking strategies, payment traps to avoid, and route hacks that save serious money. This affects everyone planning to travel this year. And the difference between booking right and booking wrong can easily cost you hundreds of thousands of naira on a single flight.